Hello and welcome from everybody here at AMT Specialist Cars in Leeds. A fantastic vehicle I wanted to bring to market today. This is a 2019 Porsche Cayenne. It's a TV6 and it's finished in a beautiful white metallic paintwork and complemented perfectly with a full black leather interior, which is also Porsche Crest embossed as well. The car has only covered 30,512 miles and it comes with a full Porsche service history, which was last done on the 3rd of May 2023 at 28,960 miles, so not long ago at all. Now, I want you to bear with me because I think it's very, very important for any potential buyer to know truly how special this car is. From new, it was specified with £16,751. Now, I hope we don't bore you too much, but I'll go through each individual one and what it cost. So we do have that smooth leather interior, which is £2,331. Got the 21-inch Cayenne Turbo design wheels, and they're in the Satin Platinum, and the wheel arch covers in the exterior colour, and that's £2,151. At the rear, there is a sports exhaust system in black, that was £2,012. It's got the adaptive air suspension with levelling system and height adjustment. And this includes the Porsche active suspension management as well. That was £1,511. The adaptive sport seats, and they're in the front with the integrated headrests and memory packages. Well, that's £1,406. So what that basically means is electric seats, very multifunction ones, and also 3-stage memory for the driver and front passenger. The LED main headlights in black, including the Porsche dynamic light system, that was £963. The Bose surround sound system, £956. Tinted LED taillights, including the light strip, £590. The exclusive design gear selector, £581. 4-zone automatic climate control, £581. Park assist, including the surround view, £522. Privacy glass, £354. A blessing in the winter, heated windscreen, £336. Porsche Crest embossed on the headrests, that is the front and also the outer 2 rear headrests as well, £320. Front heated seats, £308, another blessing in the winter. Ambient lighting inside, £287. Automatic dimming exterior and interior mirrors, £252. Promise you, I'm nearly done. Preparation for the Porsche rear seat entertainment, £245. The Sport Chrono stopwatch with compass, instrument dial, and that's in the white to match the car, it's £245. Model logo embossed on the centre console armrest, so that's it says Cayenne on the centre armrest, £219. Another blessing for the winter, the heated steering wheel, £189. Got the Porsche logo painted in black, £185. Wheel centres with full colour, £114. And finally, the fuel filler cap in aluminium look, £93. Now that's just the options. There's obviously a huge amount of standard specification, and all of it is in fantastic condition. I'll show you into the vehicle. So into the rear, and you can see those embossed headrests on the back there. And then if I may, into the front, this is where we have the embossed in the front and also the Cayenne in the centre console just there. It's a fantastic place to be and a fantastic drive at the same time. I really do appreciate you bearing with me through all those options, but like I say, I just think it's very important to show you how special this car is and how it stands out above everything else on the market there. If you have any questions on the car, please do give the award-winning sales team in Leeds a call. We're happy to answer any questions you may have. We work with a panel of financial lenders, so for any of your financial requirements, we're here to help as well. Really do appreciate you bearing with me, watching the video, and I look forward to hearing from you soon.